how to enable Hibernate mode on Windows 11. So if you want to enable Hibernate mode on your Windows 11, then what you need to do is just go with your search, and under your search, you need to search for control panel. Once you've searched, you need to open up your control panel, and here you will have power options. You need to go with power options, and you might see that the options might have been grayed out. So you can click on change settings that are currently unavailable option. So from here, you need to go and choose what the power buttons do. And then here you will have hibernate option. But if it's grayed out, you need to go and change settings that are currently unavailable. And then make sure that you've selected hibernate and then go with save changes, which is on the bottom. Once you've saved your changes, you can go back. And if you go with the Windows and then go with power, then you will have your hibernate. But before that, you need to restart your device. After restarting, your settings will work. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.